Hi, good evening. Welcome to JRA Fitness. Ako nga po pala si Maricel Naganyo, Zumba licensed instructor. Since 2008, I am teaching aerobics and Zumba. I would like to share our schedule here in JRA, Monday to Friday, 6 p.m. We are inviting everyone to please come and join us. Living in a healthy lifestyle. So, start living in a healthy lifestyle. So, iwas po sa sakit at kung ano-ano man po, anti-stress. And me, I myself, I am a nurse at daytime. And then after working 8 hours, I am teaching Zumba. And I love what I'm doing. I'm healthy. I'm 54 years old. Wala po akong maintenance. Kaya join na po kayo lahat dito. If you have question or inquiries, please contact us or my Maricel Naganyo, our page of JRA. Thank you.